Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener. Today I've got a couple of products from LANSKY. I noticed they had the triangle finishing system, so I inquired about that and the diamond system. This is before Stone Deluxe. Today I'm going to use these products and just see how nice we can get this little nav slander. Now, both of these kits come with everything you need. This has the extra coarse diamond stone, the coarse diamond stone. It also has the knife holder and your rods. Comes with a little brush too. Good feature. The finishing system comes with a 1000 grit ceramic stone. Something new, a 4000 grit ceramic stone. And they've got your strop, along with compound if you'd like to use it. Of course, it's got the knife holder and the rods as well. We're going to set this one to the side for a moment. And before we get into this one, let me show everyone how good these are. I've had this set probably 25, 30 years. Don't know how many hundreds of knives I've sharpened with it. It's a great system, but it was just aluminum oxide stone, so I wanted to see how the diamonds work. And I've also had this little stand for a while. It works with the new ones as well. I'll show everyone, this knife is sharp now, but we're going to dull it so we can put it on the LANSKY. I'd say that's probably dull. One thing I do recommend with this new sharpener, put some oil on your screws. A couple of drops on each one. Makes it work much better. Doesn't take a whole lot. Mount this knife in here. Try to do it where everyone can see exactly what's going on. And be very careful with it. Get a position about like you need, and you want this to be an equal space here. Everything's snug so your blade does not move. I believe that's good. And one thing I want about everyone to know, this is your reference point. Put a Sharpie on here and you can find your angle. Depending on the width of your blade, will determine what the angle is. And I will share with everyone, I did clamp this in a vise and use my little angle finder. And for this one, to get 20 degrees, I set it on 25. And we're going to use this little span. Makes it easier for me. And I'm going to start out with this coarse. Make sure everything's good and straight. Get yourself in a comfortable position. push down on it, it'll work against you. Now we're going to turn it over. And there is no magic number. Just do it till you get a good even burr on both sides. And I need a little more work up in this area. Now we'll flip it over. We're going to go to the medium stone. And now you can keep track of your strokes since you've got a burr on both sides. And go with slow, comfortable cuts. There's no point rushing yourself. Work it down a little more, old shine stones. Yeah, we're going to take this piece of paper, rub it down a piece of magazine paper. Got it cutting good. I'll move it down to the fine stone. And when I get on the finer, I like to just go in one direction. It really doesn't matter. It's just personal preference. Now we're going to move it up to the finishing kit. And I'm just going to use same blade holder and rods. They're identical in each kit. This one is to 1000 grit ceramic. Let's see how this cooks. Now, we're going to put it on the 4,000. I haven't tried one of these. I do have a 2,000. Now, we'll be a little more aggressive with this. It's just a little finer. See how polished up we can get this one. Now we'll put on this straw. And I'm not going to put the compound on this one today. And always remember, only on the downstroke on the straw. And as always, everyone marks a different level of sharpness and refinement. I'm going to take this out of the clamp. I'm going to wipe this off. I'm going to cut this piece of paper and everyone can see. I'd say that's sharp. Sharp enough. If you're not careful, you'll get cut that quick. Now we're going to put this up. We'll have a few final words. Now I hope everyone has enjoyed the little demonstration I've given on both of these kits. The LANSKY is very affordable and very portable to take with you. There's no reason to have a dull line. Go to LANSKY and look at all the products they have on their website. Stay sharp, the bearded sharpener. Just a reminder for the viewers, like and subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell. You'll stay up to date on all the latest content from the bearded sharpener, bringing great reviews on great products. Till then, have a good day.